Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Trick Monday. If you're new here, then Makeup Trick Monday is a series on our channel where we try a new makeup trick every Monday. So for today's video, we are going to try highlighting before our foundation. This trick is supposed to make your foundation or your base look like glowing from within. If you know me, I'm a highlighter kind of girl. I don't mind if my highlighter is popping through. I don't mind it. बहुत सारी लड़कियों को glow from within वाला highlight ज़्यादा पसंद है. Like face पे ऐसे bam kind of highlights नहीं पसंद है. So we are going to try this technique for those girls. So we are going to try out highlighting before our foundation. It's not actually strobing. Like strobing यानी हमें contour skip करना पड़ेगा. हमें सिर्फ ये देखना है कि अगर मैं फाउंडेशन के नीचे हाईलाइटिंग करती हूँ तो कितना मेरा बेस को डिवी या ग्लोई बनाता है, कितना highlight from within दिखाता है. So if you are interested in knowing this, then continue watching. Okay guys, I'm going to start off with primer. For primer, I'm using this Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Primer. ढक्कन गिर गया. ये मैंने मेरा नायका वाला वीडियो में दिखाया था. I'm taking a very little of it and I'm applying it all over my face. I'm going to let this primer sit on my skin for 2 minutes. Okay, let's go for color correction. For that, I'm going to go for this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Orange. I'm going to color correct my under eye area and around the mouth. I'm going to blend it with my finger itself. And I'm going to take off the excess using the sponge. Okay, let's go for the highlighting part. Guys, मैं अभी powder highlighter नहीं लगा सकती क्योंकि इसके ऊपर फाउंडेशन आएगा, लिक्विड फाउंडेशन. अगर हम पाउडर के ऊपर लिक्विड फाउंडेशन लगाएंगे तो वो केकी होने का चांसेस है. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन है. वी कैन यूज अ लिक्विड हाइलाइटर और वी कैन गो फॉर स्ट्रोब क्रीम्स और स्ट्रोब बाम्स. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन अल्ट्रा स्ट्रोब बाम पैलेट. सो ये पैलेट इज complete highlighter palette, cream highlighter से in short ये सारे, and we have 8 shades in it. I'm going to go for this shade which is a golden highlight. I'm going to apply it on my high points. Usually जहाँ पे मैं highlighting करती हूँ वहाँ पे इस एरिया में, मैं बाद में blend करती हूँ उसको. इस एरिया में थोड़ा सा nose पे, forehead पे थोड़ा सा, like around my eyebrows, cupid's bow, and थोड़ा सा chin पे. And I'm going to blend it out with my finger itself. मुझे नहीं पता कितना ज़्यादा लगाना चाहिए, कितना कम लगाना चाहिए. I'm just applying it on my assumption. So yeah, let's see. इसमें से chunky particles नहीं है, ये blend हो जाता है आपकी स्किन पे. bare स्किन पे भी आप इसको लगा सकते हो. Okay, now that's done. Actually, I can go out like this as well. It looks very pretty. I'm loving it. But इसके ऊपर मैं फाउंडेशन लगाने वाली हूँ. मैं यहाँ पे full coverage फाउंडेशन नहीं लेने वाली हूँ. I'm going to keep it a bit like a medium to buildable. So I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. And मैं इसको जितना मैं usually लेती हूँ उतना ही लेती हूँ. ब्लेंडिंग के लिए मैं मेरा स्पंज ही यूज करूँ. I'm going to go for my foundation again. थोड़ा सा मैं under eye area पे. Basically, I'm trying to cover that orange. Oh my god, guys! Can you see it? I hope the camera is pick. Camera actually इस चीज़ को ज़्यादा pick करेगा. But it is looking very pretty. It's like it is feeling like my skin is glowing from within. And मुझे पता है मेरा skin winter में तो बिल्कुल भी glow नहीं होता. So can you see it? I'm loving it. I'm liking this. मुझे थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगाना चाहिए था. मैंने बहुत कम लगाया. I feel like winter के लिए I got a beautiful hack या फिर beautiful product to work with. Nice. Let's go for concealer. For concealer, I'm using this Sugar Magic Wand Concealer. And I'm going to blend it with the brush. And I'm going to apply concealer on my usual concealing areas. मतलब मैंने यहाँ पे concealer तो लगा लिया तो I feel like मेरा जो मैंने strobing किया था अंदर चला जाएगा. फ्लो में कर दिया मैंने. Okay, anyways the concealer was a highlighting concealer for me, so ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ा. Okay, I'm going to go for my Fit Me Loose powder and set only my under eye and around the mouth area. Okay, let's go for my bronzer. For bronzer, I'm not going to contour today. I'm going to go for my bronzer. I'm using my Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer, and I'm going to just bronze up my face. I'm going to pinch my brush and roughly मेरा nose को भी bronze करना. Okay, let's go for blush. For blush, I'm using this Makeup Revolution. What is this? Reloaded blush. Tone down my blush using my sponge. Okay guys, highlighter हम बाद में लगाते हैं. Let's go for our eyes. So let me start off with eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit in the shade Ash Brown. I'm going to use the lighter shade. Using a clean spoolie मैं बस product को distribute करना है. Okay guys, we are going to set the brows in place using this Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Mascara. Let's prep our eyelids using this NYB concealer. I'm going to set my concealer using my Fit Me Loose powder. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Naturally Nude palette from Trend Beauty. Guys, इसका complete review है. iCard पे click करो, आपको link मिल जाएगा. I'm going to go for this shade and put this in my crease. And मैं उस shade को blend भी करने वाली. Now I'm going to take this shade. इसको मैं exactly crease पे deposit करने वाली हूँ, सिर्फ इस region पे. And now using the same previous brush, मैं दोनों shades को एक साथ blend out करने वाली हूँ. Now I'm going to take this brown. इसको मैं मेरे outer V पे लगाने वाली हूँ. And again मैं उसको blend कर रही हूँ. थोड़ा सा wing like structure दिया मैंने. जो भी extra है वो मैं clean करूँगी. Now I'm going to take this color and इसको मैं मेरे inner half में लगाने वाली हूँ. मैं थोड़ा सा brush में लेके सिर्फ crease के यहाँ पे इस shade को define करूँ. फिर से इसी शेड को लेके हम हमारे आउटर वी एंड जो इनर हाफ है उन दोनों को ब्लेंड करना है. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू डिफ्यूज द एजेस रियली वेल. आई एम गोइंग टू क्लीन द एजेस यूजिंग माय कंसीलर. लेट्स गो फॉर लाइनर गाइस. फॉर लाइनर आई एम यूजिंग दिस नायका जेल लाइनर. Let's go for kajal guys. For kajal I'm using this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. I'm kind of connecting it to my wing. Now taking this shade, I'm going to just smoke out my lower lash line का kajal. And I'm going to take this shade again and इसको मैं थोड़ा सा lower lash line पे लगाऊंगी. Something like this. Yeah. Okay guys, let's go for setting spray. For that I'm using this Blue Heaven Makeup Fixer. I'm going to just push the product in. Let's go for mascara guys. For mascara I'm using this Lash Mob Limitless Mascara in the shade Black with a Bang. I'm going to apply 2 coats of it. एक coat लगा के we'll let it dry and then हम दूसरा coat लगाएंगे. Okay guys, let that mascara dry. तब तक हम lipstick लगा लेते हैं. And for lipstick, I'm going to go for this Lakme Forever Matte Lip Color in the shade Red Sangria. Okay guys, it's time for highlighter. For highlighter, can I see the glow? Yes, I can. Can you see it? But बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, but it feels like my face is glowing from within. I'm really liking this technique, but this glow is not enough for me. I am like a highlight kind of girl. I love highlighting, so I'm going to use this highlighter from the same palette. to highlight my face. This highlighter is insane. मतलब ये बहुत ज़्यादा blinding highlighter है, but उससे पहले मैं आपको दिखा दूँ कि मेरा जो अंदर का highlight है, it is still peeking through. So yeah, ये highlighter तो बहुत crazy है. I'm going to blend my highlight using my sponge. Let's apply one more coat of mascara, guys. And I'm going to use the same highlighter in my inner corner and my brow bone. So yeah, that is the finished look, guys. I really love it, and about the technique that we used, I love it. I'm going to use it throughout the winter because guys, मैं अभी full makeup के साथ बैठी हूँ तो फिर वो टेक्निक काम का नहीं है ऐसा लग रहा है. But if you are someone who feels like highlight like this is too much for you, so you can definitely try this technique. This made my foundation, मेरे foundation के ऊपर भी वो pick through हुआ. So I really like it. I can see myself using this like strobe cream लगाया हमने underneath our foundation. I can see myself using it again and again. So yeah, that is the finished look, and that is my take on the strobing that we did. So yeah, with this we come to the end of this video. If you found it helpful or if you enjoyed watching it, do give this video a big thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to the channel, guys, it's free. Hit the bell icon so that you get notifications. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, bye.